Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect your Facebook account with OLX account. So first we're going to go to the OLX app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the account section found at the lower right corner. Then here you're going to click on the pencil mark right under your name. So once you scroll downwards, there's the Facebook option. You're going to click on connect. So they're going to ask you to log in or even create a new account if you don't have one. So you're going to insert your email as well as your password. Then once you're done, you're going to click on login. Then they're going to connect your Facebook account with your OLX account. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.